today I am going to be doing an unboxing video. Well, I already have something that I got yesterday, but I will be showing off the surprises. I already put stuff in here, but it didn't come with it, so I'm not going to show it off. I'm just going to show off what it came with. It's a real little purse. It comes with a pencil, a sheet of stickers, an eraser, tape. It actually comes off. And then this little notebook. That is it in there. But okay. Next up, I got this earlier today. It's a mini box where you lift it up and it can go like that, but I'm gonna keep it like that for now. Next up, I have this sticker book with like 1,000 stickers. I was just show it off because there's nothing really to unbox. And then I have something that I'm gonna unbox. Two things, and it's a really cool set. This has like very fun stickers like that. Okay. Here it is. Okay, these are mini brands, but they're Disney ones, and I'm going to be unboxing them. This, maybe I should have brought up scissors, but I think I can do it. Oh, I found the tape. I'll just tear through it. There, I got it. Okay, here's one. Looks like you can collect 50. Looks like you can collect a lot. And then the second one. Okay, I'll be showing off what they come inside. They are so cute. If you already had one of these before, and if you already know they're cute, these are even more cuter. Okay. Peel the tape. There. Stick the trash into the box. Let's find the tape right here. Okay. Here. Okay, here's the ball. Now here's the part where all of them come off. Whoop. Here are all of the slices. Kind of like an apple. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is super cute. It's like a mini water bottle. You can use these for like your dolls if you have like Barbies or American Girls. Too big for Polly Pocket, so unless you want to make it be the world's biggest statue. Okay, number 2. If you love Rapunzel, this is so cute. It's a mini Rapunzel. And at home, you can also set up your own mini toy stores with it. Here's a mini princess camera. There's also rare gold that I might get. Oh, this one's really stuck. Oh, that's because it has the magazine too. Oh, here's Tinkerbell. Here's the whole collection. Yep, there's definitely rare ones. Okay. Okay, here's my last one of this. Oh, this is just a mini shopping bag, which is still cute. Oh, it's a Buzz Lightyear bag. so cute. You can put the mini toys in. Okay, well, that was all of that one. Let me just check all of them. This is really hard to stop. Okay. Number ball 2. Okay. Okay. Got that part off. Yes. Box just fell. Okay. Okay. I can't wait to see these mini ones. I wonder if I'm gonna get it right. Okay. I wonder what this one is. Okay. Open it. This one's stuck. Oh my gosh, it's the Minnie Mouse phones with Minnie and Daisy Mouse. Okay. Number 2. This is Little Bo Peep. Okay. This one's stuck. Oh, another bag. This one is just a bunch of Disney princess. Is unfolded. Okay, so I've unboxed 3. Number 4. Collection and Snow White. We're up for our last one. Uh-oh. We got a Rapunzel. Okay, just check all of that. Okay, we didn't get any rares today, but I can show them off on the checklist. Well, they also have shelves with the bags. There's a whole ton of princesses. Then, like a bunch of boring kind. Oh, and then there's a bunch of golden ones, which are the rares. And, looks like you can get a couple mini stuff, but I don't see any Mickey. But, that is it for today. Goodbye.